You're already a chartered accountant, one of the toughest exams in India. You've got grit, focus, and credentials. But ask yourself, what's next? If you're eyeing global roles, MNC leadership, or career mobility beyond India, it might be time to seriously consider ACCA. Because ACCA is not just another course, it's a strategic global passport for CAs like you. As a CA, you already command respect, but it's regional. ACCA, the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, is recognized in over 180 countries, including the UK, UAE, Singapore, and Canada. It gives you global accounting language fluency, IFRS, ESG reporting, international business strategy, not just Indian tax rules. Want to work in a big four abroad or lead finance in an MNC? ACCA opens those doors. And here's the best part. As a CA, you're exempted from 9 out of 13 ACCA papers. You only need to pass the final four: strategic business leader, strategic business reporting, and two electives from audit, financial management, performance management, or taxation. You already know the core. Now it's about adding the international lens. ACCA is built for working professionals. Exams happen 4 times a year, in March, June, September, and December. You can pace yourself. Give one or two papers per quarter. Most CAs complete it within 6 to 12 months without leaving their job. No rigid timetables, no burnout. And the cost? Less than rupees 2 lakhs, at a fraction of the cost of what you'd pay for an international MBA, but with way more relevance to finance roles. Also, you pay a discounted exemption fees when you register through ACCA partners like us. Plus, your articleship or work experience as a CA already counts toward ACCA's practical experience requirement. You're not starting over, you're building forward. So, if you're a CA who wants to work globally, accelerate your growth, and add international credibility to your resume, then ACCA is the smartest upgrade you can make today. It gives you the best leverage and upgrade from all angles, be it time, syllabus, fees, or career progression. Book a free ACCA roadmap session tailored for CAs with us. Let's make global your new local.